In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your house in Photoshop to preview different paint colors before making a decision. This is a really useful technique if you want to test out new exterior color ideas without committing to anything in real life. Instead of guessing how a color might look on your home, you can create a quick preview right inside Photoshop and compare different options with much more confidence. To begin, open your house photo in Photoshop and duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl and J. This creates a copy of your original image so you can work non-destructively. In other words, you'll keep the original untouched in case you want to go back at any point. Once the duplicated layer is created, hide the original layer and make sure the copied layer is selected. This helps you stay focused on the version you'll be editing and makes the workflow a little cleaner as you move through the process. Next, choose the Quick Selection tool. With that tool active, click and drag over the part of the house you want to repaint. Photoshop will automatically try to detect the edges as you paint across the surface. Take your time here and continue dragging until the area you want to change is fully selected. The more accurate your selection is at this stage, the better your final result will look. When the selection looks good, click the Add Layer Mask button. This will isolate the house area you selected, which means your upcoming color changes will only affect that part of the image. This is what makes the edit feel controlled and realistic, instead of changing the entire photo. If you notice parts that should not be included, like a garage door or any other area you want to leave untouched, switch to the brush tool and paint on the layer mask to remove those sections from the selection. This gives you a very precise way to clean things up. You can also go back to the Quick Selection tool first if needed to refine the selection before updating the mask. Both approaches work, so use whichever feels easier for the image you're editing. After that, go to Image, then Adjustments, then Color Balance. From there, adjust the sliders until you find the paint color you like best. Try subtle changes first, then push the tones further if you want to explore bolder options. This makes it easy to compare different styles and see what works best with the lighting, trim, and surrounding elements in the photo. And that's it. You can now quickly experiment with different paint colors, compare different looks, and choose the one that helps your house stand out before making any real changes.